So last year at Murph I brought my camera along and I was planning on filming a lot and make a Murph 2017 video, and then I came home with like 20 seconds of footage. I actually carry the camera with me all the time and I never filmed anything except for the 20 seconds, of course, and I'm kind of bummed about that. Would have been fun with some video from that event. However, it's 10 days until the next Midwest Rap Festival, and I think, or I am going to better myself this year. So I'm gonna bring my GoPro with me and the GoPro rig I'm working on, and one of the pieces is the frame that I have. It's actually more of a updated frame. I have the quick release thing, and then there's a mount for the external microphone. The mount for the external microphone is angled a bit backwards so that you won't get this all the time. And I've also added a slight extrusion here to protect the microphone connector, because I broke the last one, or I broke my other Hero 3 because I threw the camera in the bag and this popped. So I broke it, but I have another one luckily, and I'm going to add some stuff to this, but the frame itself is going to be like this, and I hope I'm going to travel light, and I'm going to carry the camera with me all the time, and I'm going to really try really hard to film a lot and get a bunch of cool videos for you to see as well. So as always, thanks for watching, like, share, subscribe and all that, and I see you guys in another video. Bye! Oh yeah, and the files and everything will be available. I'll post a link down below.